Alright, so I want to show you guys. You go on My Disney Experience and then you see this. Then you hit Find Out More. My status. Go back and keep refreshing.
Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
10 seconds.
A virtual queue is being used for admission to the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction.
5
Guests
seconds.
hoping to confront the First Order in Star Wars Rise of the Resistance
Go.
should join the virtual queue through the My Disney Experience app or with the assistance of the guest experience
Can't get in
team
yet.
located throughout the park.
Can't get in
Please
yet.
note, the virtual queue will be used for the Star
I'm
Wars
in.
Rise of the Resistance
You're in?
He's in.
attraction
Are you in?
only,
Nope.
and does not apply to
Wait,
other
here's my
shows and
party.
attractions at Disney.
I'm in.
85. What are you?
39.
Oh my God. Right, we're gonna ride Rise of the Resistance. We are boarding pass number 85. And it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We're in. Do we have to now wait for another thing? Oh. Thank you.
I think you guys should try it out.
So we got in line at 1:05 and we'll let you guys know how long it takes.
Transmissions through mobile command.
So it is 1:30 and we just passed the room that had the costumes as well as blue on the walls. We'll see from this point how long it takes to board.
Please report back to ITS cockpit.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Transport's waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General. Stand clear. This is your final call on board.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute!
Ship is now under the command of the First Order. Exit immediately and prepare to be interrogated.
There is no point in delaying the inevitable, sympathizers.
That is so cool.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait here.
How many? 3 on orange, 2 on silver. You look like you have a secret. Perhaps the secret resistance base. You know where it is? Yes. Where is it? I know. Satellites on your head. Ridiculous. Silver and orange, follow quickly.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
You have what I want. And I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Resistance, we're gonna rescue you. Right this way. Alright, everyone, this is R5. R5 is in charge of your escape. Make sure that R5 stays true to the escape plans. And here's Finn.
Return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits!
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoners.
Oh, find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
Detention level D.
There they are! Fire!
These things are just for us.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you. meet you outside the wreck. Beck, where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scapper is talking.
Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base.
Great job on the mission, everyone.
Thank you.
May
Thank
the
you.
Force be with you all.
All ship Charlie in the box.